Christmas! Let's make a fringe star tree topper. It's making it. For this project, you'll need yarn, needle nose pliers, scissors, and metal wire. Begin by shaping your wire into a star. Doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be cute. But remember, leave at least 4 inches at the bottom of your star so you have something to wrap around the tree. Next, you'll completely cover your metal in yarn, not leaving a piece of metal in sight. The idea here is just to make it look like the star was made out of yarn. Next, we'll start with fringe. Cut 3 to 4 inch strips and use a lark's head knot, seen here, to create the fringe all the way around the star. A lark's head knot is actually really easy. All you need to do is take your piece of string, meet both ends together to create a loop in the center, place the loop over your star, swinging the ends of the yarn around the back of the star and up through the back of the loop, tightening to finish off the knot. You'll need to understand this knot to complete the fringe because you'll need to repeat it several times to finish off the star. If you're like me, you didn't measure each strip of yarn exactly, and that is quite alright, but you'll notice that the fringe is pretty uneven at this point. So for this next step, take an iron and flatten out all of your fringe, creating a base for us to cut into and recreate the star shape on the outside of the fringe. Once it's completely ironed, start cutting into it, leaving maybe about 1 inch or so of fringe left. Continue ironing and trimming until you are satisfied with your star. And once it's done, that's it, you're done. Take your star over to your tree and show it off to all your friends and family this Christmas. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and remember, keep thrifting, thriving, and